Studies on Wednesday held its end-of-year public lecture and award ceremony in Lagos, a gathering designed to highlight academic insight, celebrate global achievers, and honor standout graduates. Arise News correspondent Oluwatosin Balogun filed in this report.
Leaders from the academia, business, security, traditional institutions, and others gathered at the Commonwealth Institute of Advanced and Professional Studies end-of-year public lecture and award ceremony in Lagos. The event, themed Creating a Culture of Excellence, was designed to highlight academic insight, celebrate global achievers, and honor standout graduates, according to the director of the institute, Professor Anthony Killer.
It's an occasion to share some of our academic and professional thoughts with the general public, as well as recognize some outstanding achievers in the Commonwealth and the rest of the world. So that is why we saw people who have made their mark as leaders, not just in Nigeria, but globally.
Is to show that we are out to add value to the educational sector of this country and to help corporate bodies in Nigeria to build capacity for their staffs, because it costs money to develop staff, to train staff. Send them abroad is very expensive. So we will reduce this knowledge to the pedestrian level.
Goodwill messages from some of the guests identify the awards as a platform that encourages excellence while also showcasing Nigerians making global impact.
In a bid to promoting excellence, the theme is the culture of excellence. So those that have done very well, not only nationally, but on the continent and even all over the world, it's a good opportunity to say thank you to them, and that they should continue to strive in the spirit of excellence to ensure that Nigeria is on the world map.
Some of the graduates described their experiences at CIAPS as practical and insightful, emphasizing that the program equipped them with real-world skills relevant to today's business and professional environments.
I learned a lot, specifically on fundamental principles guiding an auditor. So when I was preparing for my exams, it really helped me. I was able to relate it with what I was being taught.
Well, I want to thank the CIAPS for this amazing opportunity to have been able to attend this wonderful workshop, and also most especially Arise News for an opportunity to be among those to be called a certified airport reporter. Now, for this program, I'm super glad that CIAPS is doing amazingly well, and this platform is creating so many opportunities, making ordinary humans professionals, and I think that's an amazing thing to do.
The management of the institute says the ceremony reinforces their commitment to developing global standard professionals while nurturing the next generation of leaders.
The coordinator